Greetings from Söderbysjön and this nude beach spot in the beautiful Swedish nature. It is 16th of June 2026, currently 1:40 p.m. and quite cold day today. It is currently just 13 degrees Celsius in the air. And we're gonna find out in a bit how warm it is in the lake Söderbysjön. And I have chosen this spontaneous nude beach spot in the beautiful nature and quite empty on this cloudy and cold day indeed. I have cycled here with my very basic bike to get here. It's not even worth showing it on the on the video. And it's time for picture number 63, I believe it is. And the lake has become a bit colder. It was 20 degrees last week. Now it seems the temperature is down to 18 degrees Celsius. We're gonna see that in a bit. Yeah, it's colder, even between 17 and 18 indeed. So that is a bummer, because I wanted to swim a bit longer today, but we're gonna go with the flow. It's gonna be short beach adventure today, and we're gonna have fun anyway, despite this weather. 13 degrees in the air and just between 17 and 18 in the lake Söderbysjön. So yeah, it's time for a swim in the lake. So I really hope that you will enjoy. Oh, I'm sneezing all of a sudden. And it's time for Chris to go for a swim in the Söderbysjön, and this duck will keep me company unless I open a bag of chips, and it will come right into it when there is aluminium or plastic stuff being opened. Okay, so it seems that tomorrow it's gonna be sunny again, so we're gonna have maybe better. But I will be actually not doing so many beach adventures, vlog from Sweden, in the upcoming weeks. But I have lots of content from rest of the world that I have already scheduled, so you will be enjoying that. And there will be a few beach adventures here and there for sure, especially during midsummer, that is this weekend. But I will be very busy the following weeks. All right. Let's enjoy to the maximum. Yesterday it was raining on my way to and from the beach, but at the beach it was sunny, so it was quite amazing, I must say. Here the entry is very, very slippery, so I really need to be careful when going in here. So, ready, set, and go! Amazing nature all around. Indeed, there are so many beautiful beach spots like this in Sweden, where you can find your own inner peace and enjoy as much as you can, especially on a cloudy day like this. Bear in mind we are mid-June, so summer is here despite being only 13 degrees Celsius in the air. I hope you're enjoying the World Cup also. Yesterday all the matches were a draw. Not sure how good that is, but it means that it's going to be a lot more intense in the upcoming matches. We are still in the first round of the first group. The the first matches, so it's gonna take a while, this World Cup. It will be more than a month for sure. So yeah, now it's time for Chris to swim a bit longer in the beautiful nature. So thanks a lot for watching this episode from Söderbysjön, a nude beach spot in the beautiful nature. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures soon on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.